Okay, so just a quick video because people are having issues with this. Picture's worth 1,000 words. So I took some pictures and a video. So this gray sensor, see those two little nubs right there side by side? Those two little nubs is what is causing this to be a pain in the ass. So those two little nubs secure into those little openings of the bracket. So how I did that is just basically gave some support with my left hand underneath the plug so I didn't screw anything up. I took my right hand over on this side of the bracket after it was unbolted, so it was looser and free. And then I just pried up with my right hand and down with my left to kind of put this little bend in here. It was perfectly flat before. Put a little bend in there, and then you can kind of just hump it up over those little nubs and it'll slide right out. So hopefully that'll make your life a little bit easier.